Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by clicking that subscribe button and remembering the notification bell so that you will be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep Thank you so much again for tuning in and watching my video. I am so excited to share with you some really simple and easy Dollar Tree Christmas gift ideas. For the first two, I'm going to be using these little metal trays from the Dollar Tree, and I will be using two. I have this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is that automobile towel out of the Dollar Tree, and I just have these pieces cut that was left over. Here's the second one, and what I'm going to do is decorate these so I can add some Dollar Tree items in here to give away as a gift. So what I'm going to do first is hot glue this ribbon around this tray. I like to create nice packaging for my gifts. This makes the gift be a little bit more high-end. I like to be able to reuse the packagings that my gifts come in. And so what I'm doing now is adding the glue along the trimming of the ribbon. That way I won't have to add any glue to the ribbon and nothing won't seep through. I'm trying to make this as neat as possible. And after I get that complete, I'm just going to take some of that jute cord, wrap it around, and create a basic bow. Then I'm going to tack that bow down with a little bit hot glue. I'm going to create another one of these because this will be a his and her gift. So after I get that complete, I'm going to take those pieces of towels from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to place them in the little trays as fillers. So the Dollar Tree have nice items that's brand names that you are familiar with, and those are the items that I gravitate to. So here are these cute little Dove lotions and the soaps. So I have one for the men and one for the women, and I think this is a cute way to style these soaps and these little lotions from the Dollar Tree. And now you have the cutest little his and her gift. So for my next DIY, I'm going to be using one of these wood crates from the Dollar Tree and some of this white false ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to decorate this little crate with this ribbon, and I'm going to stain it using some of my early American wood stain. The Dollar Tree have some really nice lotions and soaps, and I gear towards the brand names that people are familiar with. And one of the brand names that the Dollar Tree now sell is Yardley. They have the Yardley body lotions and the little soaps, and I think they just look great styled in these little crates. So after I get the ribbon tagged down, I am going to style in this box as a gift some of that Yardley bar soap, and they have the English lavender fragrance, and I'm also going to add in one of the Yardley's English lavender body lotions. I think this is a nice way to display those soaps and give away as a gift, because they also get this cute little crate that they can use in the future for something else. Also, the packaging of the lotions and the soaps are really cute, so they just add to how high-end the gift can look, and you only spend a few bucks. I think this is really cute. Another simple gift idea is using these jars that I absolutely love that the Dollar Tree sell. And I'm going to be pairing it with these Dollar Tree metal tags. I thought it'd be great to style this oversized tag with this jar. Now what I'm going to do is also be using some of that leather ribbon, the false leather ribbon that I used in a previous DIY. I'm just going to hot glue this ribbon around the lid just to give the lid a little bit more high-end look. After I get that wrapped around and tacked down, I am going to take that tag, the little metal tag, and I am going to string some jute cord through it. But you can add something to this tag. I decided to print these little cute florals out of the Cricut design space using my Cricut Joy, and I'm just going to transfer those over just to give it a cute look. Then I'm going to string through the jute cord. Now with this jar, I'm actually going to style some of the Dollar Tree fuzzy socks in here. I think this is a really cute high-end gift. You get the fuzzy socks as well as you can use this jar for something else. So what I'm going to do is just tie a knot so that I can have a little space so that that tag can hang. And then I'm just going to tie a basic knot, and then I'm going to make sure that it's secure to the jar. After that is complete, what I'm going to do is take the socks. Now the Dollar Tree have so many socks, but I tried to choose some really loud colors. It's just going to make the gift look a little bit more nicer. And all I'm going to do is just roll them up, and I'm going to place them down in there, and then all I have to do is add the lid. I did decide to add one of those little small florals that I printed to the center of that lid, and that is it. I think this is a really nice gift. You get these cute fuzzy socks, and then you have this keepsake jar that you can use for something else. And now for the next Dollar Tree DIY gift idea, I'm going to use one of these wood trays, and I'm also going to be using some of these tumbling blocks. Now what I'm going to do is hot glue 3 of these tumbling blocks together. You do not have to do this step. I'm just doing this step because it just gives a little bit more character to that tray, and I will be gifting this to my hubby so he can take it to work with him. And so he is definitely a coffee drinker, so this DIY is for our coffee drinkers. Now I'm just going to hot glue these on the side, and then once I get both of the handles on each side, because I did 2 sets of 3s, I'm going to use that early American wood stain and stain this entire tray. And after that is complete, the Dollar Tree had so many cute cups and gifts for our coffee lovers. This cup say, "How do I take my coffee seriously?" Very seriously. I thought that was so cute. And then some cream and some instant coffee packs. And I think this is a cute little gift for a coffee lover. Moving on to my next gift idea, I think this one is my favorite. I'm going to use another tray from the Dollar Tree, this little wood chalkboard side, and this little wood hanging sign from the Dollar Tree. You could use any little wood piece. I just grabbed this because it's what I had. And I'm just pulling out the staples and the jute cord that was attached. And now I'm just going to add all of these pieces together. I'm pulling off that stand because you won't see it anyway. And I'm going to hot glue this chalkboard right on top of this tray. It fits perfect. After I get that complete, I am going to take some wood glue and some hot glue and attach it to the bottom because this is going to be a bank, so I didn't need both of the openings on both sides. And so I'm just going to use some wood glue and some hot glue. After I get this attached, I am going to use some of that early American wood stain and stain all the wood parts of this. After that is complete, you could take this little white marker from the Dollar Tree and write on it, but since I'm going to gift this to my son, I printed some of these little coins. I'm only going to transfer over 2 and the word save. And then that is it for this. This is a really cute, nice high-end bank, and I think my son is going to love it. Now for the next gift idea, I'm going to be using some of this cute little ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I have another Dollar Tree tray and these dried flowers. As you can see, I already stained the little tray using that early American wood stain, and now I'm just going to hot glue this ribbon all the way around the bottom of the tray. I'm going to be adding some more of those Yardley items to this tray, but the Dollar Tree had these disposable Yardley washcloths that I haven't seen with the aloe vera and the vitamin E, and I just thought that would be perfect for a gift. So I'm just going to pull off a few pieces of these dried flowers. I thought these would be great to style in your baskets when you're wrapping your gifts in your plastic. It's just give it a nice high-end look. So what I'm going to do now is just style my 3 items. I have these washcloths. Oh my God, these was a great find. I'm going to add in my other Yardley items. I have this frosted cranberry soap, and then I have this lotion. And so then once I get all of that arranged, I'm just going to take a few pieces of these dried flowers. They're perfect for this, and I absolutely love this gift. I even added in some of those little yellow flowers. This is actually really cute, and I cannot wait to package this up and give this to my sister. Now for this next DIY, this is my favorite. Now this is a gift that's good to give to a teacher or a co-worker to style on their desk. I'm going to be using a little bit more of those dried flowers. First, I'm going to take off the little leopard, cheetah, whatever this is, so that I can paint it. Now, after I get that wrapped around, I'm going to just paint the bottom of this using the white chalk paint first. Now with this gift, I actually had a leftover one because in my video that I'm putting up Friday, I created one for Christmas and I thought it was so cute. So I was like, I'm going to create one for a gift idea because these are cute for your co-workers or teachers. And so now what I'm going to do is stain the top part of this with that early American wood stain. Now I'm going to remove the tape because I'm going to take my black marker from the Dollar Tree and just color in the area where there's no paint. And so I was saying that you can personalize this because I'm going to add my name. I printed my name using my Cricut, but you can add a teacher's name. I think I'm definitely going to create these for the boys' teachers so that they can style them on their desk as little name plates. And so I'm just going to transfer over my name, Jenny, and I use some white vinyl. And after I get that transferred over, I am going to take some of those dried flowers and just hot glue them down to the bottom. And this is actually a really cute gift idea. I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to style this on my desk at work. This is absolutely a really cute and simple gift. Now this next idea is like little stocking stuffers. I do these all the time. I'm going to use those little metal containers from the Dollar Tree and these poster letters from the Dollar Tree. Now what I'm going to do is take the lids off these containers, and all I'm going to do is add the letters on them. I'm going to use a J for Jenny and an R for Rich, my hubby, but it can also be the boys' initials because their names are Gentrail and Romeo. Now you can Mod Podge over these letters because I have done that in the past, but they stick really good to these little metal lids. Now you can add anything in here. I added lotion in mine, and I'm going to add some mints into Richard's. These are really simple, and now I have a little lotion that I can add on my desk. And I think these are really cute and simple stocking stuffers. Now for this next DIY, I was happy to see that the Dollar Tree have that jar, but in a smaller version. This is going to be really simple. I'm just going to take this jar and I printed the word candy in this little label form, and I'm just going to add it to this jar. This is a great way to upgrade one of these jars to give away as a gift. I'm going to take some leftover candies that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add these inside of this jar, and that's going to be it. This is just a cute little candy jar. Fill it with some candy from the Dollar Tree. Give it away as a gift, and they can always reuse this jar as a little candy jar. I absolutely love this. This was simple, but might be one of my favorites. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. I hope you enjoy all of these gift ideas today from the Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these gifts were your favorite. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. Here is a look of all the other gifts that I created today. And remember, if you like this video, give it thumbs up. And until next time, my friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.